Coca-Cola's recycling initiative. A refreshing commitment across the globe, billions of people enjoy Coca-Cola beverages. These drinks come in aluminum cans, a material that can be recycled over and over again. Coca-Cola recognizes the importance of protecting our planet. They have made a commitment to sustainability. A key part of this commitment is their ambitious recycling initiative. Coca-Cola aims to collect and recycle every can they sell by 2030. This is a massive undertaking, but one they are dedicated to achieving. The global collection from your hand to the recycling bin. The recycling journey begins with you. Every time you finish a can of Coca-Cola, you play a crucial role. By placing that empty can in a recycling bin, you set the process in motion. Across cities and towns, dedicated recycling programs are in place. Collection trucks gather recyclable materials, including aluminum cans. These trucks transport the collected materials to sorting facilities. These facilities are the next stop on the recycling journey. The journey begins transporting aluminum treasures. Once sorted, the aluminum cans embark on another journey. Large trucks transport the bales of crushed cans to specialized recycling plants. These plants are specifically designed to handle aluminum. They are often located strategically to minimize transportation distances. This reduces the carbon footprint of the recycling process. At the recycling plants, the transformation from used can to recycled aluminum begins. Section 4. The alchemy of recycling from trash to treasure. The recycling process at the plant is a marvel of modern technology. First, the aluminum cans are thoroughly cleaned. This removes any remaining residue or impurities. Next, the cans are melted down in giant furnaces. The aluminum is heated to a molten state. This liquid aluminum is then carefully poured into molds. These molds shape the molten aluminum into large sheets of aluminum. These sheets are the building blocks for new products. Section 5. A toast to sustainability, the impact of recycling. Recycling aluminum cans offers significant environmental benefits. It conserves natural resources. Mining for new aluminum requires vast amounts of energy and resources. Recycling drastically reduces the need for new aluminum mining. This protects our planet's precious resources. Recycling also saves energy. Making new aluminum from raw materials uses far more energy than recycling. By recycling aluminum cans, we conserve energy and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. This helps combat climate change.